What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. This one is kind of starting off a little weird. So we're kind of stuck on the side right here by the highway. If you guys know where Trinity Commons is, most of you probably will if you live in Brampton or local area. Probably know what this is. Let me show you what the problem is. So I was literally just driving on the side on the highway, and I got off and I heard a noise like something was dragging underneath the car. Let me show you. Lay down. What is this? Who? Look at this, bro. Look at this. Now I just call my friend. He's gonna come check it out, but we might have to tow the car. We'll see what happens, but this is not good for the health. Nice. I'll keep you guys updated. Shout out Kyle. Let's get it going. Big Kyle. Let's see what happens now. Okay. You guys hear that? It's like burbles. Just pulled up to my boy Kyle's house. He's gonna check it out and see what he can do, and then we take it to the mechanic for a permanent fix.
Where did this come off from?
That's a very good question.
You know what? Let me see. If I could just... No, well, I wanna... I thought you got a downpipe. Why is this here? Is this a catalyst or resonator? That's a resonator. Maybe you have two resonators. I have two resonators too, so maybe. What am I dealing with?
Alright guys, so for an update, I took the car to the mechanic and he fixed it. It's all good now. It cost me like 25 bucks. They just, I don't know, I think use zip ties and put the shield back up at the bottom, whatever that's called. But yeah, it's fixed now, so we're good. Now we're about to do a quick car wash. Kyle's car and my car over there. Andos, you didn't know? Let's get this going. It's actually so dirty.
Does it actually look sick in the mirror? Let me try this.
Yo, why do you have to flex on me?
This is. It's the arm I usually glue it on. No, mine just looks big. It looks fat. No.
Bro, look how big I look in the mirror. Am I this big in real life? Confirm.
What the? No, you're not. You're
Exactly.
skinny as shit. You actually look jacked there, though.
I know.
That's sick.
I'll take it. Nice. Now we just dry it. That's it. All clean, as you can see, shining. We put some tire thing on it, tire cleaner, so this gonna just automatically come off. Let me find. Nice. Like Kyle's washing his now. Alright, so we just finished washing our cars. Getting dark. I just grabbed McDonald's on the way home. This is oops.
Let's get this going, guys. We're here in downtown Toronto. Guess who this is? I'm gonna let you guess who it is. You can't see. Guess who it is. Guess who it is. All right. Leave your guesses in the comments below, okay?
What's going on, guys? New helmet here.
Let's go. Look at the helmet. Look at the helmet. It's too sick right now.
too hard, man. Too hard.
Let's go. Oh. This is the boot.
We in Toronto, man.
You see this, man? Let me flex the bike a little bit. You see the bike, man. You see it, man. Just bought it brand new, man. You know what's popping, man. No.
This is to get off the strike all the cars.
This is awkward. But you see it. You see it though. You see it though. You see the carbon fiber. Might be fake, but it's okay. I actually need to get a paint correction. Look, you see this? These are swirls.
Whole lot of swirl gun, dude.
We're at D-Spot. Can you see them? Best milkshakes.
Best milkshakes in the city.
We're living that Toronto lifestyle. Subscriber. Let's get this going. This is what man's got. I'm kind of fat. Archie got two.
You know, sometimes you just have to,
You know, man.
Pushing that 200 pounds, it's like, sometimes.
Let's get it going. Let's get it going. You see the whole gang. We're Crab on the bike. YK, Bowie, Boomy, K-Don, everyone, all man's here.
Those stairs will be hard for the
Can you have something to say for the vlog?
Vlog. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video.
Let's go. You have anything to say for the vlog?
Shout out to Abby, is my boy and shit. Like, comment, subscribe, great content maker, he's out here.
Bang.
Next up.
I think we're headed home now. We're gonna end the vlog here, guys. See you in the next. Who's running, bro? Why is he running? Let's go. See you guys in the next one. Peace.